Okay, one of the other things that could indicate a membrane failure would be low output. Now, it's not always the membrane. So I want to show you how to check to see if it's the membrane's fault or it could be a pre-filter. If you have a pre-filter clogged up and we're not getting water to the membrane, then obviously we're not getting any water out of the membrane. So what we would do in this case is, again, relieve the pressure and shut everything off, and then we'll take this tube out of the cap side of the membrane. Now, if one of these pre-filters are plugged up, when we turn the water back on, we're not going to get much pressure at all here. If these filters are okay, when you turn the water back on, I mean, it's going to push out of here with tremendous amounts of pressure. So you have to keep that in mind too. You're going to want to convey this over a jug or something, so that way it's not splashing everywhere when you turn the water on. But when you turn the water back on, monitor this and see how much we actually have coming out, because like I said, if we don't have very much coming out, then that would indicate that one of these pre-filters are plugged and we would replace those. If we have good force here but nothing coming out of the membrane, then it's obvious that we need to replace the membrane. But that's always what we're going to do. We're going to have you pull that port or that tubing off and check the pressure to the membrane first before we just say replace the membrane.